I'm Terry Massey. I had LASIK many years ago and had great vision for the longest time. And then about 5 years ago, I had LASIK again in one eye. And then the last 6 months or so, my vision deteriorated. I couldn't read papers. I couldn't read screens in meetings at work. And then when I was driving at night, I couldn't read signs. I didn't want to turn down a one-way road or do something dangerous. And so I went to see Dr. Brunson for contacts, and he said I was a perfect candidate for custom lens replacement. I was not interested at all because I wasn't interested in surgery, and I thought contacts would be a lot cheaper. And after a couple months, I wasn't putting my contacts in just because they're a hassle. So I started considering it. And then I realized I should do it now while I'm younger and get my good vision to enjoy the rest of my life. It was kind of last minute because I had medical spending money to use, but we got everything lined up. We got all the testing done. The actual procedure was really easy. I took a Valium and I didn't feel anything. It was really pretty easy. You need to do it. If you can't see, you need to go to Mann Eye and see life better. That's what I did, and I'm enjoying it. I recommend it to everybody.